Hello viewers, this week we are talking toilets, Tethford Porta Potties. So we'll get the toilet jokes out of the road first of all with Ronald McDonald. There he is, I found him on the road, one of my friends on the road series. My toilet's under that lounge. Great spot to have it. And there's the first choice, that was a 335 smaller one. And I picked a 345 larger Tethford toilet, Porta Potty. The smaller one, I didn't see the point. I thought I might as well get a bigger one. I need a bit of ventilation, so cracked the window, the stealth window. You've seen that video. A bit of ventilation, got the Sirocco fans going. This is my first time using the toilet for anything but a number one. Anyway, I'm trying to keep this PG. Anyway, you can't tell there's a toilet there. There's actually a shower there too underneath that lounge. And so I'm going to use that space to have the toilet in its stealth mode at the moment, ready for its maiden tryout. There is a benefit too of having the toilet inside the lounge. It's a great way to ensure there's no mistakes. Anything else gets in the van that shouldn't get in there. Had to move a few things, silver tail, a few cushions, and you'll see now where my toilet shower cavity is revealed. It saves you having that permanent shower in there all the time, taking up all the space. That way now I've got that serving four purposes: a second bed, a shower, a toilet, and a bit of a storage area. So there's a little bit more room there if you ever want to store anything. And at the moment, as you can see, it's ready for the toilet. Got the chemicals in there, just been experimenting with them. Anyway, I was supposed to put a pink one in the flush, but I put a blue one in the flush because I made a bit of a blue by not reading the instructions. So you get instructions with it, but there you go. The blue works. That blue is supposed to go down the bottom in the sump, and if you get a pink bottle, it goes into the right there. There's a back plug. You twist that open, fill it up, and that's supposed to be the flush colour is pink, but I don't think it makes any difference. I brought this curtain down just to show you that you can have privacy. This more so for the shower, that one, but obviously I haven't pulled it down for a little bit of time. And I can have showers in there without it really, because I've got the military trigger on the end of the hose. And in the shower it's like a military trigger that saves you water. And I've done my business, not going to elaborate. And ready for the flush. And put it in cartoon mode so you couldn't see too much. Now this is the great thing about having the trigger hose nearby in the shower. No need for a toilet brush, you just use the little nozzle on that, and if there's anything little you want to hide, get rid of, make a deep clean, do the boil out. Well, there it is, it's all clean. Look at that, it looks brand new. Lid down, ready to go. Let's go toilet shopping. There's plenty of toilets to choose from around here. I'm going to buy a toilet, and after much decision making I've decided on this one. It's only $149, look at that. Porta Potti 345. But I must confess, I'd already purchased this one and I realised it was too small for my needs, so that's it. Okay, this is from Anaconda, but if you want to get a really good model, look at that, but you've got to have the room for it. That's the bee's knees. So I hope I've helped you make a choice either on your toilet choice or your van build choice for your toilet area. If you liked it, smash the like button and share the video if someone's doing a rebuild or a self-build. And make sure you subscribe, helps the channel. Getting the videos out is the hardest deal for any YouTuber. And if you don't like it and you don't share it and you don't subscribe, no one gets to see it. That's about the bottom line. So help us out and subscribe. And in the meantime, stay awesome.